bit more to your left. There. Welcome to another...
Can they see me or not?
They can't see you, no.
Am I in the shot now? What about now? I don't like the way you framed it. It feels different today. That's bad. Now we can start. Welcome to another episode of the vlog.
Riveting stuff today.
Well, they haven't started it yet. What I tend to do is I get bored of looking at AJ's face, so I skip like 30 seconds forward and you'll be in the vlog, and that's where things really happen. This is just us being polite and saying hi.
That's not very nice. But watch this. Look at this. I've fully embraced the season. What do you reckon?
This is the thumbnail. Like that.
That's a great thumbnail. There you go. So you've learned something today, how to make a thumbnail for YouTube. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
In today's vlog, we have a special guest, Santa. Ho, ho, ho. Right, now skip. Just play the rest of the video. Enjoy it.
See ya.
No, you stay up.
Oh, I stay up.
You stay
Okay.
up. Yeah, it's just me and Santa.
How are you going to do the transition though?
Let me worry about that.
All right.
Yeah.
Now do it.
Enjoy the rest of the vlog. No, go on then. Honestly, if this is what you want to do, just bring it in.
Christmas, isn't it? Santa? Christmas.
Mate, I don't know that anyone's going to want to watch this. Oh, here's AJ. By the way, he's bought a present for himself.
Yeah, to AJ, from AJ, via, obviously, the big man. Merry Christmas.
To yourself.
Come all the way from America.
That's not in the spirit of things. Is something in there for me?
No.
This is the most selfish unboxing I've ever witnessed. AJ's bought himself something, and you all get to watch it, and I get to film it.
You ready for this then?
Just do it.
Ho, 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 ho. This is a camera gadget bag. There's this one.
Right, how many things did you buy yourself?
Oh, it's a whole box full.
Oh, Merry Christmas, AJ.
This will take part in the Tripod Wars coming 2019 to an in-gap channel near you. LED lights.
Now that is really good.
Yeah, it's mine. How about a condenser microphone for your camera? Oh, part of the Tripod Wars. Oosh! Wanted a new camera bag?
Can you do the red one next?
There's a red one. Sensor cleaner. A filter kit for a 58mm lens. This just keeps going on. Oh, that's a colour filter. Oh, it's a polarizer. You know what it is?
Oh, the pistol grip.
Yeah, one of them, you know, stocking fillers.
You're like one of the worst friends I've ever had. That's a lot of stuff you've got yourself.
We've not even finished yet. This is like the ultimate photographer / videographer's Christmas gift. HDMI cable, never have too many of them. It's like a lens cleaner, sensor cleaner, dabber, bob. One of them. Oh, one of them. Wrist strap for DS. It's got like a 1/4" thread and a wrist holder, so you can.
I'm still massively excited for you. Your Christmas.
Memory card bag, USB stick. You know, it is literally everything.
So why have you bought yourself so much stuff?
It's like the epic starter kit. Grab and go reviews, all about starter video makers.
So this is for work?
This is a gift to me to play with until we get to review it for work.
And then we're going to give it away?
I might keep it.
If you give it away, people love competitions.
We could give away the USB stick. HDMI cable. How about this?
Okay.
I get to keep the camera.
Right.
We review it all.
Okay.
As a starter kit. And then as a giveaway, we have the HDMI cable and the USB stick.
Mate, how much did you spend on all of this?
All of this? Don't forget your favourite lights in it.
Yeah, I'm okay with that, but it's not my light.
Well, I know, but you get to look at it occasionally.
Right, is this yours or is it for work?
Well, I used the work account.
Right, and how much was it?
It was a bargain. I got a bargain, yeah. It was supposed to be, what, like 700 quid for it all?
Right,
yeah.
And it was?
I saved you 250 quid.
I would say, I like your most selfish present ever.
Yeah.
Let's run a competition with it and give it all away. People love competitions. That's festive.
I mean, I feel
that's festive.
I'm under pressure because obviously we're filming it, so we can talk about it afterwards off camera.
No. On camera right now, rather than it being something for you, let's come clean and say that you want to give it away.
I really want to keep it. Once I've reviewed it, I really want to keep it.
Right, but we're going to give it away.
But I really want to keep it.
We're going to run a competition.
I really want to keep it.
We're going to review it.
It's got a lens in it as well.
We're going to review it.
Yeah.
And give it away.
I'm going to do a review on it all, and then I'm going to keep it.
That's not going to work. I need a word off camera. Right, so just do another try. Do it. Look, stop making a fuss about it, and just give me one take.
Did you have to? I'm going to review this all and then give it away.
No.
This is the best starter kit ever.
Turn the box round.
Possibly the best starter kit ever, and we're going to give it away.
That's it. Now you'll keep them hooked. They'll be watching the next video.
Keep it.
You're not keeping it, AJ. Do you like tea?
Yeah, I love tea. I haven't got a cup though.
The problem is I actually need your cup because there's no cups available. I mean, if you did the dishes, I'll definitely make the tea.
We don't ever need to wash up, we've got enough cups.
Right, there's only one way to decide.
Oh. Oh, draw. You do the dishes.
Oh, damn it.
Pete's really insisted that we make a video about washing up. I'm not entirely sure that people want to see that.
It's content, AJ. It's content. It was going to be about making a cup of tea because you always complain about my tea. So I thought, let the viewers decide how should a cup be made.
But because washing up's really boring, to help him, I'm going to click my fingers and all the washing up will be done.
How's that going to work?
Well, I'll just do this. Well, we've thought, you lost that game, so let's do paper, scissors, stone for the tea. 1, 2, 3.
3, okay.
Okay.
Do I win?
Means you make the tea.
Your tea, sir.
Thank you. God, you make the worst tea. There you go.
Right, I think enough of the limelight's been on you. Why are you more well lit than me?
Oh, leave it there.
We've learned a lot in today's video.
You've got a Christmas jumper on. That's exciting.
Oh, it was a bit cold, so I put my jumper on.
Reindeer red. Look at this. Now, we could do another thumbnail option. This is the thumbnail. No, that's not the thumbnail.
That's not the thumbnail.
No. Feed
the reindeer. Oh, saucy. Don't subscribe.
No.
We don't want subscribers.
No.
My message to you about today's video.
Do you want to do it like a plea?
To avoid the risk of failing at games, keep on top of the dishes as you go. Don't let them build up. Use the same cup throughout the workday. And that is the effective way to... I mean, that's kind of off-putting.
Oh, did I ruin it?
In other news, there is going to be a big competition that AJ's really excited to announce, yeah?
I think you mean about this?
Yeah.
You're not giving it away, though. I'm going to review it.
Yes.
The best starter kit. Grab and go review.
Review and win, we'll call it.
Not winning this, because I'm going to keep it.
You will win it.
It's my Christmas gift to myself.
So someone's going to win it.
I'm going to keep it. So I'm going to keep this Christmas present to myself.
No, we're giving that away. There is going to be a massive giveaway, and it's for anyone that's kind of new, inspired by YouTube filmmaking. There's a whole starter kit of everything that you're going to need to get going in making your own vlogs. Do you want to be in for the end bit?
Oh, I've broken it. We can't give it away anymore. I dropped it. It's broken.
Right, it's not broken.
It's broken. You can't give away a broken camera, that would be mean.
It's not broken.
Bye.
And there will be a giveaway.
No way.
See you in the next one.